everyone, welcome to week 5 with Sunday Night Fever, Texans versus the Dirty Birds. And today I have tickets 69 and 70. Let's see what we shall get. Symbol hunt. And if anybody, I'm sure everyone is subscribed to Jay Scratcher. If you happen to not be subscribed to him, please go and subscribe to Jay Scratcher. He has some great content. He does a bunch of books. You should go check him out. 17, 31, 28 for 10. 22, 21. Okay, we have a $10 win right here. Let's go on to ticket 70. Looking for numbers 27, 2, 31, 32, 26, 11, 21, 18, 16, 3, 34, 6, 28, 13, 15, 5, 25, 39, 19, 38, 35, 37, 33, 36, and 17. Alright, we lost on this one. We got $10 right here. Alright, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Sorry, I have a bad glare. Everyone, please go and sub to Jay Scratcher. And yeah, go check out to see what he's on the board with. See if he's beating me or am I beating him. Who knows? But I still wish him the best of luck. Alright, everyone. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.